Hey, what up, y'all? Happy Friday. Today is May 1st. May is one of my busiest months of the year. March, April is okay. April was okay. We actually did more this April than last April, and that's pretty good for business. May is already about, I'm gonna say, about 40% booked. I went and did 2 consultations this morning. They both went well. Actually, my first one was recommended to me by someone that follows me on YouTube. Okay, and these clients, they moved from out of state, and one of their friends, I think he said in Pennsylvania, said check out Truman, and they watched my videos. So I went out today. It's gonna be a small project, but it's gonna need a full sanding. The floors are really bad. And then I went and did another consultation for a screen and recoat. And then today we're out here in Buford about to start a screen and recoat with the countertops and UV curing, minor color correction, and then I got one of my biggest sanding jobs in Chateau Elan. Last week I went and did a consultation. She had 4 people come out, and she told me, she said, Courtney, I respect your business so much because you was the only one that charged me to come out and do a consultation. She said, I'm a business lady myself, and that's something that I would do. So but she had 4 quotes. I came in, it's the highest, but I was the only one that offered the UV. She also liked the water base. She said 2 of the other companies did oil base, told her they would have to be off the floors for at least a week. They could not put furniture back in the floors for at least 2 weeks. Rugs couldn't go down for a month. So she said, and they were cheaper because the oil base is cheaper than water base. And she said the company that came in third, they was using water base, but they did not UV cure. All right, so that's why she chose me. And she just gave me a lot of good compliments, and she was also recommended to me by neighbors in the Chateau Elan community. So one of my property manager network partners, who's going to be assisting me with that job, is going to meet me here today. And when we get the coating down here, we're going to shoot back to Chateau Elan, do a walkthrough, so we can go ahead and get started on that project. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in downtown Buford, Georgia. Actually not far from the shop. This is the residence of Mrs. Casey. She reached out to me, sent me pictures, measurements. I actually never came out here to do a consultation. And this is the engineered floor. And what we're going to be doing is screen, recoat, minor color correction. Floors are not too bad. And she said, Courtney, I'm so glad I found this service, because she said, I thought we was going to have to rip these floors out. So when they moved in, you can see the veneer kind of chipping off. So that's color correction. Also right here, okay. Overall, everything else is fine. So we're going to screen these down, give them a light abrasion, and then do the color correction, and then coat. And then we're going to shoot up to Chateau Elan, do that walkthrough. Got a few scratches over here. Color will fill that in. So this is what we're going to be doing. Also, too, because of the marketing, she saw we're going to also add the granite countertops today as well. All right, so when I come in, I give my clients one of my brochures, also my countertop brochure, so they see that. So a lot of people will add the countertops on. Actually, I got the same vest on right here. They'll add when they see this, oh, you do countertops too? So yes, I do. So, all right, guys, I'm going ahead and get this party started. Stay tuned. Oh, also, too, shout out to Christian, my recommended moving guys. They came in this morning, moved the furniture, and they're going to come back this afternoon between 5 and 6 and put the furniture back. Stay tuned.
Yeah. Buford, Georgia. We outside.
Truman, that's him.
One day, whole flow, brand new. Walk back in, same day, no shoes, no dust, no mess, no stress on you. UV light hit, yeah, we lock that through. That's Truman. That's Truman. That's Truman. Yeah. Flip that. UV, no sanding, brand new. Put up clean, van wrap blue and go shine. Engineer floors, yeah, we bring them back to life. Screen and recoat, color correction on point. Red coat, lace smooth, ain't no bubbles in the joint. Hit it with the UV, cure strong, instant hard. Clients looking shot like you already done the job. Same day moving, yeah, the couch go right back. Why they still amazed? We already count racks. It's fast, one day, lock it in, you be cured. One day, whole flow, brand new. Walk back in, same day, no shoes, no dust, no mess, no stress on you. Oh, UV light hit, yeah, we lock that through. Granite countertop, yeah, we polish that stone. Shine hit different, make the whole house glow. Kitchen looking like $1 million scene, while the floors underneath got that satin clean sheen. From door to rich, yeah, we shift that tone. Color correction, got it looking back home. Buford to the city, yeah, the name ring bells. When they see them vans, they already can tell. That's true, man, that's him. Blue and yellow, top tier. One day, whole floor, brand new. Walk back in, same day, no shoes, no dust, no mess, no stress on you. UV light hit, yeah, we lock that through. That's him. Monday floors, yeah, we change the game. That's him. Buford Georgia, yeah, remember the name.
That is gonna do it. Let me get my client. Oh, there she go. Come on in. Yes, ma'am. Again, guys, these are engineered floors. These floors cannot be sanded. So this was the only resort where they didn't have to replace them. As you can see, they came out great. Now, again, guys, this is not a perfection system. Look, she's looking at the countertops. Don't they feel, remember how at first they felt real gritty? Now they're nice and smooth. Yes, ma'am. So again, guys, floors came out great. We did some light color correction. And like I said, the floors do take a wear, especially in the soft grain. You really can't replace soft grain, but it does add characteristics to the floor. This board right here was her worst one, so we make sure we did a good color correction on that. But the floors came out great. Yep, she's very, and then they can come in. The movers are going to be here between 5:30 and 6. Put the furniture back. And then also, again, got those countertops looking great. All right. All right, guys, that's going to do it. We are done for today. Great day today, 2 consultations. And then tomorrow we have a small project in Grayson, Georgia, not far from the shop. It's going to be a light wax removal with screen and recoating as well. It's a dining room, a foyer, and a kitchen. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.